In this video, we are going to explain what pre-order means on Temu and how it works. Pre-ordering on Temu means reserving a product before it officially becomes available for everyone else. When you pre-order, you are saying, I want this as soon as it's released, and you typically pay upfront to secure your spot. Once the product is launched, pre-order customers are usually among the first to receive it. Temu often offers free shipping, discounts, or special deals for pre-order customers, like waiting for a movie release. Release dates for pre-order items can change. It's a good idea to check the product page regularly for updates on when your item will ship. When you pre-order, you are telling the seller there's a demand for this product. This helps businesses estimate how much inventory to produce and prepare in advance. If an item is high demand or limited supply, like a new gaming console, pre-ordering reserves your spot so you are not left out. It's especially helpful when your products are expected to sell out quickly. So, in short, pre-ordering on Temu is a great way to secure a popular item early. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.